They're not just hearing your fights, they're feeling them. Mansoor's world was small, just crayons, toys, and the people he loved most. But sometimes, the safest place in the world can suddenly feel different. A child may not understand the words, but they understand the feeling. When voices grow louder, a child's heart grows quieter. Parents may forget the fight tomorrow, but a child remembers the fear for years. Sometimes, the loudest fights create the quietest scars. Dear parents, when you fight in anger, your child is not just watching. They are learning what love looks like. Your words build your child's world or break it. A home does not need to be perfect, but it must be safe. Parents may think they are fighting each other, but the deepest wounds are carried by the smallest hearts.